If you want to know about minimum requirement and different type of piano, be sure to check out my part 1 video. Before recording this video, I already done some research on the actual product that fulfill minimum requirement. So if you still confused for which product to buy, you can just follow my list of recommendation and you should be fine. Equipment number 1, Alexi Recital. It just costs around $200 and on top of that is a US brand and it is a full-size piano with 88 key and all the key is semi-waved, come with 6.35mm sustain pedal jack and 6.35mm headphone jack. Some more, it is a freaking digital piano. That means you just power up the device and then you can just start using it without any kind of installation. The value of this piano is insane because you can hardly find similar quality of the product at this price. Next, equipment. Equipment number 2. I will recommend this Nectar MP2 sustain pedal. This the small one, unbranded one, blacked out at the end of my 59 day of the challenge. So I forced to buy a new one. Yes, this is a new one I have to buy and you can feel it even using your eye. Yeah, so see the size of the branded one and blended one is difference is day and night. Not only that, the feeling when you step on these two is completely different. So I recommend you to buy a branded one sustain pedal so that you will not go wrong, because I own it. I know the quality is good. I think can last for a long time, and the best thing is the connectivity type of the pedal very compatible with the Alexi Recital. So you just plug and play, that's it. And it just costs around $25. Next, equipment. Equipment number 3, headphone. Actually, you can use back the one you are using right now if you have one, but you have to take care of the connectivity type. If it's not the same, then you have to buy the adapter. Remember, Alexi Recital headphone jack is 6.35mm, so make sure buy the adapter that able to fit in. But if you're looking for a new headphone, I will recommend this HyperX Crown Stinger 2. The reason is because first is a HP brand. HyperX actually is a HP brand. Second, it have a decent sound quality. Yeah, it's not the best, but it's still good. Third, it is a comfortable headphone that you can wear for long hours of piano practice. It costs around $35 and don't forget to purchase adapter along with this headphone because the default connection for this headphone is 3.5mm. You need to convert it to 6.35mm. Next, equipment. Equipment number 4. If you already have a very comfortable chair, then you don't need to do any purchase. But if you're looking for a new one, then I recommend you to get this one. Rock Jam KB100 adjustable padded keyboard bench. It costs around $35 and Rock Jam is a UK brand. You can adjust the height and according to the review, it is very portable and comfortable and it can handle the weight up to 340 pounds. So I think this is a good choice. Next, equipment. Equipment number 5. Rock Jam Affinity Heavy Duty Stand. It just costs around $35 and Rock Jam is UK brand and you can adjust the height and it comes with pre-assembled. That means you don't need to do any installation. Just take it out and use out of the box. That's all for my list of recommendation. As for your convenience, I have put all the product link in this video description below. Be sure to check out. let's move to the next section. Hello people, if you still have any question, please leave your comment below so that somebody can help you. And good news to those who buy MIDI keyboard, because in next video I'm going to show step by step how to install and configure Synthesia for MIDI keyboard on Windows devices. For your information, Synthesia is a free and popular piano learning software that enables users to play interactive virtual piano. That's all for this video. Goodbye, see ya, adios.